Have you ever thought you weren't good enough, smart enough, or whatever, fill in the blank, for you to manifest and create the things that you wanted in your life? This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me share with you the most powerful hidden teaching on manifestation ever that will wipe away all your limitations. Let's go. Well, Jake, I don't have this working for me. I don't have that working for me. I'm not tall enough. I'm a little too old. I'm a little bit too young. You might have a laundry list of things. Well, get this. Your spiritual DNA is perfect. You may think, nah, I'm limited by this. Nah, I'm limited by this. That's your natural DNA. What you have to remember is this. Your body is a garage housing your soul. You don't have a soul. You don't have a spirit. You are a soul. You are a spirit. And you have a body that you're using just like a rental car. When you go to Hawaii and you rent a car, that's not your car. You're just using that car as a vehicle, as a medium to experience the island. Similarly, you're using this thing as a medium to experience this beautiful reality. And you must remember, your spiritual DNA is perfect. And you may think, well, I have a lot of dysfunction through my family, and I have this problem that makes me not good enough. I have this problem. I'm a little bit overweight. I have ADHD, and that's why I won't be successful. And you know, these things may be true upon appearance, but the flesh isn't ultimate reality. The flesh is not ultimate reality. You have the spirit, you have the power of the universe moving through you. Your spiritual DNA is perfect. You're exactly the size you're supposed to be. You have exactly the level of attention that you're supposed to have. You have exactly the things that you need to be the person that you're destined to be. And here's what I invite you to do today. Affirm your spiritual DNA is perfect. Comment that down below. My spiritual DNA is perfect. Now, your mind may want to tell you that your natural DNA isn't. That's okay. Your spiritual DNA is what's perfect, and spirit is what gives this world life. It's spirit. It's your spiritual aspect that overrides all your perceived limitations, all your perceived lack of qualifications to have what you want. Remember, your spiritual DNA is perfect. Now, if your spiritual DNA is perfect, what is it that you want to manifest and create, knowing that none of the natural world limitations apply to your spirit, to your soul? What is it that you want to create? Set your intentions for today. Write them on a piece of paper and have a beautiful day. Comment down below, my spiritual DNA is perfect. Subscribe in the corner right there. Hit the bell notification right over there. Like this video. Comment down below, my spiritual DNA is perfect.